Well, it's not the best video, but it's what we got. This is the 310 with the tender leaning because I don't have all the screws in it. And I've got everything stuffed in it. It's been kind of changed from what we thought. There's a soundboard. You can barely hear it. I got a much better speaker. I'll take care of that. So there's a whistle, and I'm doing it from my piece. Here's the bell. I'm on the wrong side, so you just use the bell instead. Then there is a bell. Hear that? And then I also put the chuff in, so when it rolls, you can hear the chuffing. I don't understand my train track. This is the country loop, and I don't use it much, and boy, sometimes it takes off and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. This seems very happy right now. And there is smoke. Not sure what's going on. I might have burned it all out, but we have a very nice smoke plume with the chuff mechanical, the old Flyer stuff, and it runs great. I'll put some cars on it after I get it really tidied up a little bit better. Oh, jeez, it almost took off. You heard it take off, right? It's on that other side. It's got excellent connectivity, and it takes off. And then it comes over here and it drags down. I don't know what's going on. It's crazy. It's like those speedboats that you have to throttle and dethrottle the whole time you're driving it. Oh, I killed it. Okay, I gotta go. That's the 310K5 on its way to the roundhouse. Oh, you poor thing. Well, we had a good time, and it was smoking, and it was chuffing, and it has a bell and a whistle, and I better not pick it up with one hand. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll post this so you guys can chuck it up later.